The Kugo Chete Builder Neo recipe look over Uman in essay a recipe book. Chenny Bioni saw out the open. Ero Chenny Bioni saw him a bar a dine. Chenny dine cheddar. Follow the recipes where Sikasulin at Tomare. You need to follow the recipe. Main Chenny Bioni saw dine. Chenny Bioni a time bono. Like cheerful lure bono. Ero go out Kugo Chenny dear. A Chenny o Diago Piopiara. Share the recipe lo tomare. Finally, I convinced my mother to share the recipe. Finally, now so maro, I got convinced. Yumji lekanzi gere bono. Nga meo chepyo niyo share people dwe bono. Nga we mia people dwe nga yumji si gere lekanzi gere sre debeba. To plural nilele tono yaware recipes. I tried some recipes from this book. Nga di saoga Chenny Bioni Chugo, Sambi Chechi Gere, Lochi Gere, bono. The Kugo Chenny Bioni a dine, light low tara. They say that we maintain bono, light chatara swim. The dish is made to a traditional Burmese recipe. Da Mima Yoya tones and time di jagoma di sadago chatara bono. The dish, di Hinlia di sadago. The dish is made to a traditional Burmese recipe. Gogo Rayane, Chenny Bioni, a Titaku, Bablo Lome, go say Kunego, your Sabima, Chelida, train light out, Jaro. New recipe, look, don't try a new recipe, bono. I tried a new recipe and it was a great success. Nga Chenny Bioni, Titaku, train light out, trimming up and running and a Chelida. Da Yango Omian Gere, Simbi Gere, bono. This is delicious. Can you give me the recipe? Da Yana Shigawe. Mingo Chenny Bioni, Piopialo Yamala, bono. Di don't know, Tinzabile Tono Yaware. What is your recipe for success? Omi Muda me and Nilanga Bale, bono. The cuckoo load and Nisne, bono. Met that sure, David. What is your recipe for success? Omi Muda me and Nilan Luwache Bale, bono. Now, Mia Apien, Tweton de Tono. Recipe for disaster. Disaster Rajaro. Bidoka. Bidoka people piconid Louis, Ponza Mew, Tayao Devono, Mumalus, you know. Your plans, I think, are a recipe for disaster. Not 10 me sees in Yaro, the Bidoka Piemen Nilame. Recipe for disaster.
Recipe for disaster. Recipe for disaster.
Otherwise, that's a recipe for disaster.
So, but Joanne put the Pioni later on the tea, bono. Time to Biodina, otherwise, hello, Mam Hoeno, da recipe for disaster. Dokayame Nilame. To Bione time Hobus and not the Chani Langaro, Dokayame Nilame Solurava.